In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create button automations in Trello. We'll walk through setting up simple, reliable buttons that save clicks and keep your board organized. Start on the Trello board where you want automations. Look to the top right header and click the automation button. This opens Trello's automation hub, where all the magic happens. If you don't see it at first glance, make sure you're on the right board view and that the board has loaded fully. Next, choose the type of button you want. Card buttons live on the back of individual cards. They're perfect for actions tied to a single task, like a quick mark as done routine that moves the card and checks off a list. Board buttons live in the top right menu of the board itself, which makes them ideal for broader, bulk actions affecting many cards or lists at once, like sort list or a cleanup routine across the board. Now create the button. Click Create button, then give it a clear, descriptive name, and pick an icon that visually matches the job it does. Short, action-focused names work best. For example, send to review or add checklist. Using consistent naming across similar buttons helps teammates understand them at a glance. With your button created, it's time to add what it actually does. Click Add Action and define the behavior. You can stack multiple actions so they run together whenever the button is pressed. For instance, choose Move to send a card to a specific list like In Progress or Done. Use members to add or remove teammates automatically so the right people get looped in. Add checklists to drop in a predefined checklist, perfect for repeating processes such as QA steps or handoffs. Keep the sequence logical and consider what you want to happen every time without surprises. If a step is only sometimes needed, leave it out and keep the button focused. When everything looks good, click. Save to activate the button. Trello applies it immediately. Card buttons will appear on the back of your cards, ready to run those actions on that specific task. Board buttons will appear in the top right board menu, ready to apply the actions across the board when you need them. If you ever want to tweak the behavior, return to the automation area, edit the button, and save your updates. That's it. You've created a time-saving Trello automation button. If you like the video, give us the thumbs up. It really helps us out. And maybe consider subscribing. Please let us know in the comments what you think of the video and if there's anything we can do to improve the video.